Hello everyone, welcome back to Innate Pleasure. Hope you all are doing great. People used to say that Windchime is the symbol of happiness, good luck, and health. But the idea of making this Windchime came into my head just to get this beautiful reflection. This eye soothing view is enough reason for me to make a colorful one. It will automatically bring positive energy and prosperity to your mind. The sound is not audible here, but when the breeze gives the company, it creates a calming sound that is so healing and gives a restorative effect to you. So, without further delay, let's get into the video. And if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. I am using CD as material and I took total 8 CDs. I am rubbing the lines drawn by marker. From each CD, you will get 16 pieces. Now I am going to use 8 glass colors from this pack. Then I am doing black outline with glass liner. As I said, I cut 16 pieces from each of 8 CDs and I colored one full CD, one color. Now here I take a cardboard and giving it a shackle shape. I attached a plastic behind it just to make the base more strong and long lasting. You can see that the circle I cut is of 6 cm radius. Now in the same way, add another white paper behind it. I am using the colors here that I also used in glass color on CD pieces. You can get these pom-pom balls at your nearest market, and it is very cheap. A pack of 12 pom-pom balls cost only 10 rupees. Complete the circle in the same way. See, isn't it already looking very much colorful? Now I am using a compass here that I already heated. It is very easy to create holes in the CD pieces in this way, and I am making holes to put the thread into it. Make 16 different rows by arranging the CD pieces in different color combination. Then chain up them in this way. Now to hang them, I am making some pointers. Do same like this for the others. All are done here. Now I just used a broken safety pin as hook that will help to hang this. On the other side, add the pom-pom balls in the same way. See, it's completely ready for hanging. So, let's check the outcome. Oh sorry, I forgot to say one thing. Add some Fevikwik between the thread and CD pieces, otherwise they will be intertwined. So that's it for today. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe.